Hi everyone, welcome. Are you having trouble with your Steam Deck controller not working? Don't worry, you're not alone. This is a common issue, and thankfully, there are several solutions. In this video, we'll go through some easy steps to get your Steam Deck controller back up and running. Let's dive in. First, let's start with the basics. Ensure your Steam Deck is powered on and fully charged. A low battery can sometimes cause connectivity problems. Now, check the Bluetooth connection. Go to the Quick Access menu by pressing the Steam button. Navigate to the Bluetooth settings. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled. If your controller isn't connected, try pairing it again. Select Add a new device and follow the on-screen instructions. Sometimes a simple restart can fix things. Restart your Steam Deck. This can clear any temporary software glitches that may be causing the issue. Next, try updating your Steam Deck. Outdated software can lead to controller problems. Go to Settings, then System, and check for updates. If an update is available, install it. Now, let's check the controller settings within Steam. In Steam, go to Settings, then Controller. Make sure your controller is detected. You can also try calibrating your controller here. This can help improve its accuracy and responsiveness. If you're using a custom controller layout, try switching back to the default layout. Sometimes custom layouts can cause conflicts. To do this, go to the controller settings within a game and select the default layout. Another potential solution is to try a different controller. If you have another controller, connect it to your Steam Deck. If the second controller works, then the problem is likely with your original controller. In that case, consider contacting Steam support for assistance. Sometimes Steam input can cause conflicts. Try disabling Steam input for the game you're playing. To do this, right-click on the game in your Steam library. Select Properties, then Controller. Under Override for Game Name, select Disable Steam Input. If you're playing a non-Steam game, add it to your Steam library. This allows Steam to manage the controller input. To do this, click Add a Game in the bottom left corner of Steam, then add a non-Steam game. Browse to the game's executable file and add it. If none of these solutions work, you may need to perform a factory reset. This will erase all your data, so back up anything important first. Go to Settings, then System, then Reset to Factory State. Follow the on-screen instructions. Remember to double-check if the game you are playing has native controller support. Some games might require a specific configuration or might not be fully compatible. This is especially true for some older games or indie titles. Sometimes a wired connection can help diagnose the issue. Try connecting your controller to the Steam Deck using a USB cable. If the controller works when wired, then the problem is likely with the Bluetooth connection. That covers most of the common fixes for a Steam Deck controller not working. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more Steam Deck tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions or solutions.